Heart racing in the dark, thoughts running past my breath, deadlines, voices, heavy tangled knots inside my chest. I stare at the ceiling, feel loud in my head, then a simple whisper pulls me back from the edge. Hasbi Allah, Allah is enough for me. When my hands are shaking, He is where I lay my grief. Hasbi Allah, every burden finds release when I say your name. My storm begins to sleep. Missed calls on the phone, bills on the kitchen table, silent worry in their eyes. Will we ever be stable? I turn from the numbers to the one who never fails. At all, you know my weakness, you are strength when I am frail. Hasbi Allah, Allah is enough for me. When my hands are shaking, He is where I lay my grief. Hasbi Allah, every burden finds release when I say your name. My storm begins to sleep. I have broken plans, you have perfect measure. I chase fleeting sand, you hold endless treasure. So I let it go, what I cannot see. You are with me always, that is all I need. Hasbi Allah, Allah is enough for me. In the deepest worry, you are still my peace. Hasbi Allah, every burden finds release when I trust your wisdom. My heart begins to breathe.